Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can apply a strike through to texts and text boxes on LibreOffice Draw. So let us dive into this. Head over to your page here on LibreOffice Draw and insert a text box. I've inserted this one here with that example text here. So what you want to do is highlight the text inside your text box, and here in the top right, select strike through, or alternately, you may use the text property tab here to the right, and you will see the strike through feature here as well. However, guys, there's beside the strike through, there's also underline and overline. You may do that or apply that by right clicking into your text box by selecting edit style here. And from that menu, navigate to, let me find it. Here under font effects, So here in the text decoration, you will find the strike through, overlining and underlining effect, and you may customize the strike through by clicking into the drop down menu and choose, for example, a double strike through. Click into OK, and you will see the option here. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.